Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
So, welcome to today's session. Allow me to also welcome media. We will proceed in this way. Honour members, you introduce yourselves, beginning with my far right, Chitepa Central.
Yeah. My name is Christian Nyondo. I represent the great people of Chitepa Central. Thank you.
Chair, my name is Amaryliss Mambala, member of Parliament for Balaga Mulungozi. Thank you.
Chair, my name is Young Piri, representing the people of Lilongwe East. Thank you.
Good morning, Chairperson. Representing the people of Mulanje Southeast constituency, Buga Matemvu. Thank you.
Thank you, Chair. My name is Vua Gaunda, MP for Ngatabe Central. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Honorable Chairperson. My name is Santiago Samson Piri, Member of Parliament for Mulanje South constituency and a Member of Public Accounts.
Chair, my name is Samuel Bokos, representing the people of Majanga Central.
Honorable Chairperson, my name is Joe Francewa, MP for Chikwawa North. Thank you.
Good morning, Chair. My name is Lawrence Chakakala Chazia, Lilongwe Chilogwe constituency.
Good morning, Chair. My name is Gerard Tasa Okadala, representing the people of Blantyre Central constituency. Thank you, Chair.
Chair, my name is Best Ben Awali, Member of Parliament for Zomba City North.
And I'm Amina Gaji, a Member of Parliament for Zomba Sondoli.
Through you, Chair, this is Eisenhower Mkaka, representing the people of Lilongwe Mpeno. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable Chairperson. I'm Nelly Nkata, Parliament Secretariat.
Good morning, Honorable Chairperson. I'm Isabel Dambala, Parliament Secretariat.
Through you, Chair, good morning. I'm Tulinje Muluzi, Member of Parliament for Machinga Likwenu, and I'm the Vice Chair for Public Accounts. Thank you. Honour members, I'm Baba Stephen Kansia Malondera, MP for Lilongwe Nyanja constituency. At this point, allow me to request our colleagues from media to introduce yourselves. Colleagues from media, please.
Good morning, Chair. My name is John Paul Kayuni. I'm a journalist from Zodiac.
Good morning, Chair. Honorable members, my name is Mchindi Megi from Nation Publications Limited.
Good morning, Chair. My name is Sheikh Kashpeta from Linga FM Radio.
Good morning, Chair. This is Pempera Malimba from Times.
Good morning, Chair. I am Pempo Buddha from Zodiac.
And I am Jacob Nankonya from Nation Publications. Thank you. Thank you. Honour members, today we're supposed to have an interface with Ms. Colleen Zamba, the former Secretary to the President and Cabinet. We had dispatched letters to that effect. Allow me, honour members, to go through the communication or the correspondence that we've had. We'll begin by the memo that was dispatched. Parliament of Malawi, Parliament Building, Private Bag B362, Capital City, Lilongwe 3, Malawi. Reference number NA/PC/10. 24th March 2026, Ms. Colleen Zamba, former Secretary to the President and Cabinet, Lilongwe 3. Dear Madam, appearance before the Public Accounts Committee. The Public Accounts Committee has commenced a special inquiry into the proposed acquisition of the Amaryliss Hotel by the Public Service Pension Trust Fund, following the ruling of the first Deputy Speaker in the House on the 24th February 2026, referring the matter to the Public Accounts Committee. And following serious concerns raised in the public domain regarding governance, valuation, regulatory compliance, and the protection of the pension contributors' funds, the committee notes that in your capacity as the Secretary to the President and Cabinet, you convened a meeting held on 16th March 2024, and that you issued, received, and coordinated various correspondence relating to the transaction. Given your role in the events surrounding the transaction, the committee considers it essential to engage you to clarify the nature and extent of your involvement and directives. In this regard, the committee hereby summons you, Madam, to appear before it on Monday, 30th March 2026 at 9:30 a.m. at the Parliament Building 2. 1. Provide an explanation of your role in the meeting of the 16th March 2024 and guidance you personally conveyed to the fund at the meeting. Explain the legal basis upon which you directed the fund to issue commitment or comfort letters and expedite the transaction by end of March 2024. Clarify why you intervened in a commercial transaction involving an autonomous pension fund. Explain the alleged threat of legal action said to have influenced or prompted OPC pressure in the matter. And submit minutes of the meeting held on 16th March 2024 and transaction or guidance issued to the Public Service Pension Trust Fund. And disclose and explain any communication between yourself and Yusuf Investment Limited or its representative during the period of the purchase of the Amaryliss Hotel. In this regard, and on the basis of Section 60, subsection 3 of the Constitution, as read with Section 9 and 10 of the National Assembly, thus Powers and Privileges Act, find attached to this letter summons for your appearance. To facilitate a focused and productive engagement, the committee further requests that you submit before the appearance copies of documentation you issued in relation to the transaction no later than Friday, 27th March 2026. For further inquiries and confirmation, you may contact the clerk to the committee, Ms. Nelly Nkata. Yours faithfully, Fiona Kalimba, Clerk of Parliament. Honourable members, allow me to proceed to read the summons which we received on behalf of Ms. Colleen Zamba by Mr. George Kaspatige on 25th March 2026 at 3 p.m. Reference number NA/PC/10, inquiry on the purchase of the Amaryliss Hotel by the Public Service Pension Trust Fund. Summons to witness. Section 60, subsection 3 of the Constitution, Section 9 of the National Assembly Powers and Privileges Act, and Standing Order 151. 2. Ms. Colleen Zamba, former Secretary to the President and Cabinet, Lilongwe. Whereas the Public Accounts Committee is inquiring into the purchase of Amaryliss Hotel by the Public Service Trust Fund You are hereby summoned to appear before the committee as follows. Date, Monday, 30th March, 2026. Time, 9:30 hours. Venue, Parliament Building, Committee Room 251, to testify what you know concerning the subject matter of the inquiry, and so on from day to day until the inquiry is concluded. Given under my hand, on the direction of the chairperson of the Public Accounts Committee, this 25th day of March 2026, Clerk of Parliament. Honourable members, having dispatched the letter and the summon, we received a response from Jefferson and Company, contact person Jefferson Kadzipatike, date 26th March 2026. Our reference GJK/CZ/26/1. The Clerk of Parliament, Parliament of Malawi, Private Bag 362 Lilongwe 3. Dear Madam, reference appearance of Ms. Colleen Zamba before the Public Accounts Committee. We are legal practitioners for Ms. Colleen Zamba, and called our client, who has referred to us your letter dated 24th March 2026, which was served on us on 25th March 2026. The letter requires our client to provide to the Public Accounts Committee documents she issued in relation to the matter by 27th March 2026, and to appear before the Public Accounts Committee on 30th March 2026. Our client is currently attending to medical treatment outside the country, and she is therefore neither able to appear before the Public Accounts Committee on 30th March 2026, nor provide documentation within such a short period. On our return to the country after the medical treatment, our client will arrange with the Public Accounts Committee for a mutually acceptable date to attend the inquiry. Please note that our client is fully committed to appearing before the Public Accounts Committee to provide such information as she has relating to the issues and to provide such clarification as may be required. If you have any queries, kindly contact our law offices. Yours faithfully, George Jefferson Kadzipatike, for Jefferson and Company. Other members, these are the communications that we have. You may recall that when these correspondences were deposited with the Public Accounts Committee, the Public Accounts Committee has resolved that it proceeds with the report and report to Parliament, because it has noted that a few items have not been attended to, because the letter that Public Accounts Committee has received from Jefferson and Company does not have supporting document, as there is no any medical report. To this effect, Public Accounts Committee will proceed to report to Parliament the findings of the inquiry probably within this week. Other members, this marks the end of our communication this morning, and we're looking forward to concluding this matter to the best interest of Malawians who trusted us to do this job. Thank you so much. Other members, we can have an in-house meeting so that
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.